Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. So, today I'm going to talk about very interesting subject in astrology. Actually, we youngsters, we all youngster like you and me, need to know about all this subject, and we need to do all these things with a systematically way. If you want to grow on this earth, if you want to live a happy life with full of success, uh, every youngster wants success in life. Me, you, everyone wants success. And due to one problem, we can't achieve that milestone which I plan. The reason, we never live our life with discipline. We never do something which God wants from us, like some meditation, some worship, some chanting. And this is the biggest reason those native who have under the influence of the Rahu and Ketu or Saturn Mahadasha, because Rahu Mahadasha is 18 years, Saturn Mahadasha is 19 years, it's a long period. Ketu Mahadasha is 7 or 8 years. So those native who are under the Rahu Ketu or Saturn Mahadasha, they are suffering a lot mentally because they are not happy from inside or mentally. They may earn everything, they may earn money, they may spend a luxury life, but they don't have peace of mind. A lot of people consult with me. They have a Rahu Ketu Mahadasha, natural malefic planet Mahadasha. They may be well placed in birth chart. They may be debilitated. That is not concerned. I just talking about how can you be a wise person internally. How can you be a positive approach person from your mind, because brain play a biggest role. Keep my line. Brain play a biggest role. If you have a fresh brain, you can become a creative person. You can create a lot of good things. Your mind is always try to do something wonders. And if your brain is not working, you are always feeling lazy, and you are always down, and you are always suffering mentally a lot. Without any reason, you are taking tablets. The reason, I am under depression. You are not in depression. Doctors say you are not in depression, but you are taking medicines because you feel like this. I am in depression. So this video will clarify all confusion related to your depression, related to your mentally confusion, related to your sorrow, hurdles in your life, why you are struggling during natural malefic planets like Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Mahadasha. Because we are not sitting for chanting our Ishtadev, we are not sitting for some worship. We just go here and there, walking here and there for money, desires, try to fulfillment our wishes. But every desire and every wish, we are only do our efforts, but it is all in God's hand. If Sache Patsha wants, your wish will be granted. Nobody can stop you. If God wants, yes, you will achieve this milestone with small efforts. You can easily reach Mount Everest with small efforts. And you're shocked, how can I reach Mount Everest? Without any efforts, oh my God, because God wants. We are just doing efforts. But those native who have a Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Mahadasha, they are not doing any efforts. They are just thinking, deep thinking. Every time they are just deep thinking without any reason. I'm trying to counseling with you in this video. I'm trying to suggest you something different, because I am passing 18 years of Rahu Dasha, which was ended on the December end 2019. So I can understand which type of period I face in my life, mentally, physically, struggle, hurdles. So I have a experience about Rahu Ketu. I have experience about malefic planet. I always match my practical life with astrology. So I will get very good results through planet reading. When I consider everything, what is going to happen with me every day, and I calculate in my birth chart, I can get a good result. I will automatically get good results. So I want to say you something. Being your well-wisher, being your advisor, you need to start some chanting and worship. Same time, same place, every day morning. You wake up early morning. If you have a Rahu, Ketu, Saturn Dasha, if you have any debilitated planet Mahadasha running in your birth chart, like you have a Mercury Mahadasha running in your birth chart, and Mercury is in Pisces sign in your birth chart, and 16-year Mercury Mahadasha is active, or you have a Venus Mahadasha, Venus is a debilitated in your birth chart in Virgo sign. So we need to do some chanting, remedy charity, stones, everything is secondary. First thing is meditation, worship. Follow your religion, follow your boundaries of religion. Do that activity which will make Venus, Mercury, and Ketu, and Rahu, and Saturn happy. But we can't do this. A lot of people hearing my videos, watching my videos, but they are not applying my advice on personal life. I want to suggest you, being your advisor, being your well-wisher, telling you again and again, if you are passing Rahu, Ketu or Saturn Mahadasha, or you are passing Sadesati of Saturn, you are passing Dhaiya of Saturn, or you have a passing of Rahu, Ketu, not a good transit in your birth chart, or transit is not matching good, so you are in struggle. Do one thing only, wake up early morning, 40 minutes or 45 minutes, you must start meditation, must chant mantra of your Ishtadev. You may belongs to any religion. I don't believe in religion, I just believe in humanity, knowledge, humanity, knowledge. This is my religion. But if you follow, I am also following my religion, but I am not under one religion. I am born Hindu, but I love Sikh religion a lot. I'm a biggest follower of Sikhism because I like it. Religion, God is not make a religion, man make religion. So man make meditation, God make yoga and meditation, but we are not following that. We are following that side which is man make. Like आदमी ने बना दिया हिंदू, सिख, मुस्लिम, ईसाई, यहूदी, पारसी, हम उस लाइन पे चल पड़े. एंड गॉड क्रिएट नॉलेज, ह्यूमैनिटी, हम उसको भूल गए. सो फॉलो द राइट पाथ ऑफ गॉड, दैट इज़ ह्यूमैनिटी, टू हेल्प अदर्स, to sharing your knowledge with others. This is also a part of humanity, and must start meditation if you are under influence of any type of malefic planet, natural malefic planet like Rahu, Ketu, because they never give you peace of mind. They always give you mental stress, deep thought. You are always thinking 24 hours. Your mind and your heart is not connected with each other because you are under the natural malefic planets Rahu, Ketu. So only meditation, only chanting make your way easy. You will live a happy life. You will automatically listen your heart and mind voice together, and you can choose, you can take a right decision or right time because you are under the influence of God blessings. When God blessings is start on everyone, like you, me, every person on this earth, then Rahu, Ketu and Saturn, a natural malefic planet, never give any bad results. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand what I want to clarify with you. So please start meditation. If you are passing Rahu, Ketu, Dasha or Mahadasha, it will totally change your game after a month or after 2 months. But you regular do this. Regular do. Every day morning, you wake up early morning and sit on same place and chant your Ishtadev mantra. You will surely see a miracle in your life. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. मेरा देश महान. जय हिंद.